the full stack development course with the course code 21CS62. In this video, we'll learn first program, and program name is installation of a Python, Django and Visual Studio Code editor can be demonstrated. Next, before starting the video, we will update the all the programs or experiments on our website. We'll be providing hands-on example and coding exercises to reinforcement your understanding of a concept covered. Will also be updated our website with the code and lab manual PDF for each program. First, open any browser like example Google Chrome. Open and in the search bar enter our website name, search creators, and your subject, or enter your subject code is a 21CS62. It is available in this link. Enter our website and it will show all the updated syllabus, lab manual and coding exercises. So what are you waiting? Let's get started the video. First step is to install Python, which is widely used Python programming language. Okay, open your browser. Firstly, open your browser, any browser, like I open Google. Okay, in this Google, enter then hit enter. Okay, here this is the Python official website. Click on this. Next, here navigate the download section. This is now download section, and here choose the appropriate your latest version. This is the latest version of 3.12.3. This is the latest version of the Python. Click to download this Python version. I'm installing. I'm saving the folder. This file into the. I'm saving this Python file into the my download folder. Okay. Save it. Then here open it. Then here double click to install this Python file like this, and then here checkbox, you click the checkbox to these two. Okay, first one, use to admin privileges when installing py.ex file, and this is checkbox, and add python ex to path in your path environment path variable is there now, that is add to the this automatically. So that purpose two checkboxes are checked. Then install now. It is asking some instruction. Give me the yes. And here click the disable path length limit. The Python is successfully installed in your system. Click to close, then open your command prompt in your device like this, command cmd. Okay, to check the Python version. So that purpose we open to check the Python version which is installed or not. Okay, type the Python. Yes, is installed Python. The Python version is 3.12.3. This is the we are now installed Python. Okay, next we move on to the install the Django. Django is a powerful web framework for Python. Okay, the Django is a powerful web framework for Python. Open your again, close it the command prompt. Again, open your command prompt in your system like this. Then here type the command as to install the Django. Pip install Django. Install. Okay, pip install Django, then hit enter. It will installing the in your case is showing the uh, uh, installation process. In my case, it is already satisfied. That's why it is showing the already satisfied Django. In Django version, in my case, is 5.0. This is the present latest version of the Django. To install and then install the Visual Studio Code. After successfully installed Django, then we move into the Visual Studio Code installation. Okay, close it the command prompt, then again open the browser. Here type the VS Code editor. Okay, yeah, this is the VS Code editor. So download it, click on this link, then download for Windows. In my case, I will install the Windows. In your case, you can install also different platform, Windows and Mac OS, then even Ubuntu. These are all the platform to install, all the same instruction also. Next, click for downloads. Here instruction VS Code is save in my folder, download folder. Okay, next save. Then here download is progress. It is some moments. Open it, show folder. We will install this again. Okay, click double click to install this VS Code. It asking the accept the agreement, so that click I accept the agreement, then click on next and create desktop icon. To check this box also, to create the desktop icon. Okay, next click on next, again install. Then click on finish. It is already, I already run a program, so that purpose it is opened. In your case it is not showing here. Click on the customized browsers like black theme, or can you choose the themes like light themes, black themes and gray themes, like that. You in your case is showing the these themes. Okay, in my case it is showing the exact program I've already done previously, so that purpose it is showing the program directly.